Well, today is a momentous occasion. I finally finished wiring the front tray, and not for the faint of heart. And under there is an absolute rat's nest, but it works. So yeah, I got the whole 12 volt is controlled right here. Turn that on, and then I get all of the 12 volt stuff is working off of that. So I got my rear camera. In fact, there's two of them. There's the other camera. Here's the front light. As you can see, it's right there. I can move it around, up, down. That's our searchlight. And turn it off right here. And then here we have our USB plugs, which also tells me how much power I'm drawing right now from the 12 volt. And then there's another one on the other side there. Now under here, in fact, this is how you access it. You can tilt the entire thing. Let me get some light. And back here is a rat's nest. And there's no way to make this look pretty. It's a lot of cables that are arriving right here, and trying to get them all set. But basically, they all feed to this, and I'll show you here, to this 12 volt fuse box, so that whenever I want to add something, I can do it right here under the tray, instead of trying to get somewhere in the battery box, which is really cramped. So that's something I did on my last truck, and I really liked it, so I've done it again. And then all you gotta do is tie up those two bolts up here, and the tray is secure and basically tilts on its base. So that's pretty cool. So there you go. Everything. Oh, and I forgot, I also have my lights right here. So these are really cool lights. So you can dim them, and then you can go into just a red mode or a green mode. So it's pretty cool. And I've connected that again to the box right here, so I can switch them off and on right here. So this is pretty cool. There you go. And then this one just shuts off everything that's 12 volt. This way it won't draw on the batteries when the truck is off. So there you go. That's a quick update. It's still a mess in here. I gotta clean up, but yeah, it's coming along. And yeah, everything is where it should be right now. So I'm very happy with it. Can't wait to get the doors done. And this thing is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Take care.